Calculating CRC16 in Python. I'm trying to evaluate appropriate checksum based on CRC16 algorithm using CRC Python module and 2.7 version of Python interpreter. The checksum parameters are CRC order, 16. CRC polynomial, 0x8005. Initial value, 0xFFFF. Final value, 0x0000. Direct, true. Code. And for the input 0x5A00001 it prints 0x7E16 while I should get something like 0xCE0A. I checked on this URL, and the computed value is 0xACE, which is correct, with respect to the order.
CRC mode is working fine. You are not giving it the 3 bytes you think you are giving it. Your str, int, 0x5A00001 is providing 7 bytes, which are the ASCII characters 58982241, the conversion of 0x5A00001 to decimal. To feed it the byte 0x50x000x01, you would instead, as one approach, that prints 0xACE.
Here is a Python implementation of CRC16, CSIT false. Data, byte array of the data you want to calculate CRC for. Offset, from which offset you want to start calculating CRC. Length, to which offset you want to calculate CRC.
A working single function example for CRC16 ANSI, CRC16 IBM based on PYCRC, this URL code. It is easy to modify but input or output reflection capability is not included.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.